Hello, and welcome back to another episode of He Who Dares Wins. Today, I don't have a lot of time. I'm actually on my lunch break, so I'm going to quickly see what I can do with the cable, the reverse camera cable, to try and route that through into the cabin of the car, through the engine bay. So I will try and crack on with that at the moment. Then I've received a message from Hardtech. The engine is done. I expect they will be shipping it soon, if they haven't shipped it already. So it's Monday, by the way. So yeah, when it arrives I can crack on. In the meantime I need to finish doing what I need to do there so that the engine can go in. Hopefully it arrives today or tomorrow. I've taken Wednesday off work, so I'm hoping to spend the whole day Wednesday reassembling the engine, I suppose. If I can get it reassembled, I may be able to put it in on the weekend. Let's see if that happens. In the meantime, yeah, let's crack on with this cable routing. Uh-oh. Okay, a little update. I'm trying to run the wire through the main wiring harness, which goes around the engine wiring harness, which goes around the driver's side, but I really can't get to it from the other side without taking half of the interior out. So I've taken a look at other options, and the other option I've found is the gear linkage seems to go through right in the middle, right by the transmission tunnel, which is exactly where I need it, because that's where I want to route it to the stereo. Gear linkage cables, as well as I think it might be the main power harness that goes from the battery right to the starter. So I think it's that one. Yeah, I'm going to try and route it through there. There's a nice big bung. You normally remove that if you're going to replace the gear linkage, so it is a serviceable part. So I think I can remove that and get the cable in there, which I think may be easier. There you go. That's what I'm thinking. So here's the gear linkage, and next to that you can see where the power goes through. Okay, it's the next day. I wasn't able to finish yesterday because I kind of ran out of time. I've only got like an hour or so in the middle of the day. So yeah, just to recap, I took half the car apart, which I didn't need to do now that I've realized I can't get the cable through the main harness down the side. So I am going to go through the middle. I've taken the center console out of inside the car, and I've been able to push a wire in to kind of give me a guide so I can fish through the camera's cable. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Hopefully I can get that done fairly quickly because again I don't have a lot of time today. So yeah, let's get the car uncovered and crack on. Okay, moment of truth. I've connected the camera. It's all wired through to the radio, I guess. Let's try and test it out and see if it works. Okay. Ah, I clearly missed the trick. I almost had 996. Stereo's on. Rear camera. Yeah! Nice! Don't know if you can see that, but it's working. Now, unfortunately, the engine hasn't arrived yet. I was kind of hoping it would arrive either last night or sometime during the day today. It's a bit late in the afternoon now. It's almost 4. So, yeah, I guess I had my hands full doing the cables anyway, so it's not a lost day. But I would have liked to have started with the engine. So, yeah, good news is camera's done. Bad news is I haven't started assembling the engine yet because it hasn't arrived. But anyway, I might cut the video here, and then you'll just have to wait for the next video for when I actually get the engine back. So yeah, if you like this, like and subscribe, and I'll carry on in the next video. Cheers!